Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the project self-contained, so the zip includes everything. First, consolidate assets. Bounce or freeze any virtual instruments to audio so plugin dependencies vanish. Next, gather external samples and drag them into the project's audio files folder. This ensures no missing media. Once done, save a new copy with file save as so you preserve the original and create a clean version to export. This reduces playback errors when someone else opens the project. Now you'll export and assemble the folder you'll compress. If you need stems, use File Export All Tracks as audio files. For full archival, export project, or choose AAF for DAW interoperability. After exporting, choose File Project Settings or Consolidate Project Audio to ensure all referenced files are copied into the project folder. Then, in Finder, confirm the project folder contains the LogicX package plus an audio files folder and any exported stems, so finally, compress and verify. In Finder, right-click the finished project folder and choose Compress to create a zip file. This preserves folder structure and is easy to transfer. Once the zip is created, unzip it into a temporary folder and open the project in Logic Pro X to confirm all tracks and plugins load correctly. If something fails, make sure Consolidate or Copy External Files was run and check the project browser for missing audio. Re-export the missing files and rezip before sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.